Here at Caldwell County's barbecue here in Gilbert, Arizona. They give you a little bit of that pitmaster flavor. Welcoming me in here with the old John Deere tractor, something my family knows oh too well, making me feel at home instantly. I'm gonna give you a quick little tour of the jaunt, and we're gonna see what we can do about finding us some food up in here. I love always seeing the good wood, and then instantly I can smell these pits. Oh yeah, they got some big ones. I wonder how many gallons is it. Look at this firebox. I wonder how many gallons these pits are. Smoking so smooth. Got a baby black song back there. Definitely see some mesquite wood over here in these piles. Then they got your old school picnic style on the outside. Let's get in here and see what this food look like. Mayonnaise doing it right over here. Check out that brisket. Looking beautiful. I already got a taste of it, barked up. And this sampler going with me. Oh, yeah. Thank you. Yo, I had to get out of the line. I ain't want to slow everybody else down, but you got to see my plate. Nice little sampler, a little bit of everything. Turkey was looking nice and pretty. They had some mac and cheese, a corn casserole, and a little bit of a potato salad. We should be all right. We should be all right. All right, so we start digging into this thing. I'm over here with my girls. First verdict so far, that pork is beautiful. It's got a nice crust on there. They got some nice peppery finish. I definitely like that one. Definitely got some nice smooth smoke in here. The sausage, jalapeno, and cheddar. If you can see, I got a little bit of shade on there, but those have also been pretty well. They gave me a little bit of that brisket in line, but I haven't got to get any of this yet. But surprisingly, their sides are fire. It's potato salad, solid, corn casserole, and then this is their mac and cheese, which look like it isn't that cheesy, but it actually got a pretty good flavor on it. All right, these are the last bits of stragglers over here. We've been running through it. Definitely, I'd have to say the favorites have been the pork and that sausage. Turkey was pretty solid. Brisket was all right. I wasn't mad at it, but at the end of the day, we do a pretty damn good brisket ourselves. So usually you go to these barbecue places, they might not put too much flavor season on there. You got these barbecue sauces. I'm really impressed with this house sauce. That was a favorite. Along with this Arizona Gold, wasn't bad. A mustard type sauce. And then if you can see, this one's supposed to be like a hot and sweet. It really wasn't that hot, but it wasn't bad either. But definitely I like this house sauce. Overall, we definitely got to give old Caldwell's big old fat A. I'm happy. I'm full. It's a good Father's Day dinner. Can't complain. Love checking out these pits and this ambiance. Before we get out of here, I had to slide back over here by where all the magic is happening, where these pits is at. Food was amazing all the way through. Great ambiance, great place to kind of hang out, relax, enjoy some food. Right here in Gilbert, Arizona, around the corner from my house. Can't be mad to have some place doing it old school style. You see all the wood here. You see the fireboxes. Man, that firebox is damn near is up to my chest. I mean, it's crazy how big these grills is. And even sitting out here and eating while they're in here cooking, man, you can look at these fire stacks, and that's what I'm talking about. When you say clean smoke, no smoke's coming out these fire stacks. I mean, nothing. You smell great smells coming out of here, but you do not smell smoke. And I'm sitting right next to the fireboxes. But I like that. Mother of all barbecue right over here is what they got as the MOAB. I think this one's called Mr. Big. They got about 4 of these giant pits. And right on time, we got the man of the hour, Pitmaster. Mikey, is it?
Yes, sir.
There we go. Do I give me a quick tour? Yeah, man, I'm doing great. All right. Boy, we getting lucky.
Yeah, a little bit of everything.
Look at this. Oh, my God.
Right here.
Man, that is absolutely beautiful. I ain't going to make you keep this open long. I'm a cooker, too, and I know you putting in good work. Man, y'all do a great job. This is beautiful. How many gallons are these tanks or these pits? 1,000 gallons? I was curious.
Got
Boy.
some burgers right there, briskets on the other.
Oh my God, look at that crust. Man, if you wasn't right here, you wouldn't even almost know these things is on. They smoking so smooth. Love it. Love it, love it. 1,000-gallon, 4 of them, all day long, right?
Yep.
Y'all keep them smoking all day?
Yep.
I love it.
6 a.m. to 8 p.m.
6 a.m. to 8 p.m. here at Caldwell's Barbecue in Gilbert, Arizona. You can't go wrong. Mikey, I appreciate you, man. Pitmaster in the house doing it right. You see it firsthand. Killer Miller Q.
With apple juice.
You putting me to shame, man. I can't be showing my viewers all of this.
Oh yeah, get that nice little glaze going back on.
Yes, yes. Color for days. Color for days. The smell alone, you already know what you get. All right, we out of here. Gotta love it. Caldwell's.